I don't need to locate this. This is right. It's 10 feet. It's right here. You're digging. No matter what you do, I get close.
Basically,
you're digging. You're digging here, no matter what.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's recording. Yeah, so basically what's happening is I'm going to go here from the clean out and I'm going to reset 0. I'm going to go in.
That's just another.
I might have dragged that out when it with the big blade I put it there.
How come you saw like that look like you're going into another pipe?
It is another pipe.
So it is.
Oh, you mean,
so you see it like
that pipe might have got bigger. Was you
okay.
saying just now I wasn't paying attention?
Right.
It might have been 4 to 5.
Okay.
Or 5 to 6.
Right.
I wasn't paying attention, but I'm because it was irrelevant to me. I'm trying to go in slow to keep the water from disturbing, so I can. Again, you can see that picture. There it is, right there. That's what you want to see.
That's it, 9 feet.
All right. So you see how high, you can see how high it is.
Yeah.
See, I've seen them the other way,
right.
where they'll last for years.
Right. Because
okay,
it's easier to go into it.
Right, because and I've seen it where it was like this.
Yeah.
Half, there was just enough water for paper to go through,
right.
and water to go through, and it just dropped down. Now
right.
you're this way. So what happens is your toilet paper's got to float up and out.
Wow.
That's why in anything like wipes.
Yeah,
okay, so here's your other lesson. Okay, there's a difference between Scott tissue, toilet paper, and Scott tissue for your nose.
Right.
Okay, if you've ever blew your nose with toilet paper, okay, it looks like everything falls off on your nose. Your nose is white.
Right. Yeah,
because toilet paper is meant to break up as soon as it gets wet.
Right.
So by putting a little paper in here, you're not going to clog it up as quick.
Yeah.
Okay, because the paper is eventually going to disintegrate. Whites do not.
I'm lucky. I came home one day, I saw a wipe in the freaking toilet. I said, "What's that?" She said, "It's a Lysol wipe." I said, "What do you do with that?" I throw them down the toilet. I said, "You're insane."
I got lucky yesterday. You look at the size of that?
Yeah. Now you really got to go up.
Yeah, no, I'm not even sorry.
That's the hard part.
But we know the rest of that was good.
Yeah. Like I say, right there. Now, why do I see that so clear?
Okay, so
that's
what?
Another pipe.
Okay, so right here, yeah, that's just a joint.
So it's
okay. So now you see how that's looks like it's separated.
Right.
Okay. The space there. There's a space that was probably put in with. Depends on how it was put in.
Okay.
But believe it or not, I'm not super concerned
with that. Right.
With that. The rock I'm not worried about. The rock's not going to do anything. Eventually, if you fix the pipe, it'll float its way down. Right. Or if we can jet it when we're here and come back in with the jet, which will push everything back to us. Yeah. I feel better that I see everything. Okay.